Hello! Today we're talking about recipes. To make a meal, you need a recipe. A recipe tells you the ingredients for a meal and how to make it. One of my favourite meals is spaghetti bolognese. In this book, there's a nice recipe for it. Which ingredients do you need for spaghetti bolognese? And how do you make it? Let's find out. Spaghetti bolognese is a dish from Italy. To make it, you need these ingredients: an onion, some tomatoes, some meat, and a type of pasta called spaghetti. To make this dish, first cut the onion and the tomatoes. Put the onion in a pan with some oil. Cook the onion for 2 minutes. After that, add the meat and cook it. Cook the tomatoes, then add them to the meat and onions. After that, cook the spaghetti in water. Cook for 10 minutes. When the spaghetti is ready, put it on a plate. You can put the bolognese on the top or on the side. Some people eat spaghetti bolognese with cheese. That looks nice. Are you feeling hungry? I am. I've got a recipe to make this meal for my dinner. Which ingredients do I need? Can you see? That's right! I need potatoes, onions, and chicken. Right, it's time to make my meal. See you next time!